Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
I said, did you pick that shirt from Old Navy?
But I mean, didn't you see me walk in the store with it?
Yes.
So then why would I have to?
Out of the store with it, ma'am.
But didn't I walk in the store with this?
No, you didn't.
I didn't.
The tag's still on.
Yeah, the tag is still on, but I didn't walk into the store with my Old Navy top
Ma'am,
on.
I'm on the phone with someone. I can't listen to two people at the same time. I didn't understand you.
So you're saying that I didn't walk with the shirt on? I didn't come in the store with this?
No, you did not walk into Old Navy with that shirt on. You walked out of Old Navy.
Well, you're gonna have to call the police then, because I did.
We have cameras, ma'am.
So, okay, so what are you gonna do?
You can check the cameras.
So go check the cameras right now. Do you want me to come with you?
You can come with me.
I'm not coming with you.
Ma'am, why are you shaking? Are you nervous?
Does it look like I'm nervous?
Does it look like you're
Under arrest? Did you guys see me?
I just need to see the receipt.
No.
This can all be done.
No.
Ma'am.
Don't. Hey, let go off of me. If
Do not.
Oh my God. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. They're saying that I didn't walk in Old Navy with my shirt on. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Excuse me, do you have these in the black and white, the cookie cup, the comfy cookies? The van.
Journey, ma'am. Can I just please see
No,
the
you're
receipt
not
so
seeing
we
my
can-
receipt.
So then I
You're gonna have to
you
press
under arrest.
charges. No, you're gonna place me under arrest. Did you guys see me?
I just need to see the receipt.
No.
This can all be done.
No.
Ma'am.
Don't. Hey, let go off of
Ma'am.
me. If
Do
you
not.
Wait.
I just need to. This could all be done if I see the receipt.
Can you let go off of my
No,
hand,
I cannot.
Stephanie?
No, I cannot.
Let go off of my
I
hand.
cannot let go of your hand.
Stephanie, I will press charges against you,
I will
Stephanie.
press charges against you.
Let
Please
go
do
off.
not-
Can you tell her to let go off of my hand?
Please do not.
Can you let go off my hand, Stephanie?
Ma'am, this could all be
I will press charges against you if you don't let go off my hand. I walked in the store with the shirt on.
Can you come with me to Old Navy?
No.
See that?
No. If you don't let go off me, I'm gonna press charges.
Okay.
So if she doesn't let go off of me, I'm gonna press charges against her.
Yeah, we're just trying to figure this out.
Because I'm a citizen, she has no right to hold on to my
I
hand.
get that. We're trying to figure things out right now, okay?
Go watch their camera and see that I walked in the store with the shirt on.
I get that.
So,
That's not up to me, that's hers. We're just here making sure everything's okay.
okay, let go off of my hand, Stephanie,
Ma'am, I
because
cannot,
I'm gonna get very mad, Stephanie, if you don't let go off of my hand. I walked in the store
So then
with
why don't
this
we,
shirt on.
Why don't we go look at the camera?
No, you have no right to be holding onto my hand
I do.
because of what
I
you think. You should have watched the cameras
I did watch the
before you
cameras.
came.
Ma'am, I was
Okay,
in the- I was in
let
the
go off of me.
bathroom.
I'll go to the store. Tell her to let go off my hand because I'm gonna get very fucking ignorant. Tell her to let go off my fucking hand.
Are we okay?
Because I will go back to the fucking hospital.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, ma'am.
Let's go to the store and see the cameras.
All right, we're just here to make sure everything's okay.
Okay,
with you guys.
and after I'm going to be pressing charges against you, Stephanie. Okay. I'm going back to the stores. They're going to view the cameras and see that I walked in there with my Old Navy top on. And on top of that, I'm going to return everything I bought yesterday, which was over $200 worth of stuff. Okay, my jeans right here
Hey, look, ma'am,
are
we
from
understand
Old
you're
Navy
angry,
too.
but you can't be
Do
screaming
you
at
want? Do you want me to? Do
But
you
now
want
you're
to see
arguing.
my jeans too? I'm not. I don't. You don't have no right to ask me for my name.
I'm just asking you this conversation.
I don't want to have no conversation with you. Who the fuck are you?
Why are we here then?
What?
Why are we here then?
You are here because she said I did not walk in Old Navy with this top on.
There is a tag on your shoulder.
It doesn't matter. All my tag. Look, I just bought these shoes yesterday. There's a tag in these shoes too.
Okay.
So
Again, that's his.
I always have tags on my stuff.
Again, we're only here for a presence, make sure everything is okay.
Yeah,
with
but you guys, the stress and everything that you guys are causing me because I walked into the store with my top on. We're gonna see what happens now, Stephanie. Huh? Charges. You laid your hand on me for no reason. Huh? I never ever thought this would ever happen to me. I could tell you guys this. I never thought this would happen to me. This girl put her hand on my, this girl put her hand on me. I could deal with it other ways, but you know what? I want to deal with it legally. Whoa. Oh. I can't wait till you view the cameras and see that I was wearing this top. I can't wait. And then to see what's gonna happen now. Because a bad girl is always angry. But listen, watch. One good thing for you, whatever your name is that you never put your hand on me. Oh.
And we're a neutral party, make sure everything's okay between you and her.
Okay. And if you guys think I'm waiting long, you better think again. Oh, because I have things to do.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't even touch any of you guys' t-shirt. I walked into the store with my t-shirt on. Okay, so what if I keep the tags on my stuff? I always keep the tags on my stuff. Anybody who knows me, after this goes on social media, everybody who knows me knows I keep the tags on my shit. Where's the camera now?
Where's Jill? She's upstairs.
If you guys think I'm waiting long, you better think again. Where is the camera? Let's see what happens. And you laid your hand on me. I do not take well to people laying their hand on me, eh? Oh, I'm gonna press charges against you. A civil suit. After this, I'm gonna call my cousin who's a lawyer to come and get you.
Hi.
Yeah?
I'm Jillian. I'm the store manager.
Did you see me walk into the store with my top on?
I apologize. I did not. I wasn't looking at my camera.
So she said that you guys looked at the cameras and seen that I did not.
Okay, if you want to give me a couple minutes.
Okay, I don't have long, so hurry up.
Okay.
I have something to do.
Okay.
Thank you,
Totally
Jillian.
appreciate
Oh,
that.
guess what? The lady in America who profiled the other black guy, her name was Jillian too. Wow.
Okay. I apologize for the incident.
And you know what? Tomorrow, this could have all been so easy. Don't
Okay,
touch my
okay,
shit.
I won't.
Don't touch it. Tomorrow, all the stuff that I brought from Old Navy, I'm bringing it back. Everything, including this green top that I had on. I'm bringing this shit that I have back. All this stuff, I was bringing this back to get an exchange. But you want to know what? I didn't like the way I felt in here. I felt profiled. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go to another Old Navy. So let's see. Oh my God, I never thought this would happen to me. I am the perfect person for this to happen to. Hi. Woo. Okay, we're going to see now. Go look at your cameras because she said in my video that you guys watched the cameras and you seen that I came in here. Oh, so I came in here with this top? That's what I came in here with this ugly undertop? Is that what you're saying?
I understand.
Okay, let's see what happened. Look at my purse. My purse has no, wait, my purse has nothing in it. You see my Zara bag? This Zara?
Janu, you can imagine how this lady supposed to feel. You can just imagine, like if you go at a store and somebody gonna call you a thief and for no say you spend your money. You see me? Yo, it rough. Look, for real, not for look on certain things. You see me? It can make you angry. Me give this like a 70% say, yo, that woman didn't take that thing. And you know why I look at it so? It's because of one thing. You see the long list of receipt she pull out a while ago? That the long list of receipt there. You see me I say? No, sir. So that's why me give her a 70% to say, yo, me don't feel like she really take anything. You see me? Yeah. But right about now, you see this we see as a circulate on social media and people say that it's racial profiling or racism, or basically what they must say is that them have them eyes on this woman because she's a black woman in the store. That's what them call racial profiling or whatsoever. You see what I say? And The lady I try to explain, but you know, there's something where sometimes people have to understand still. You know? You see, sometimes you can't make anger get the best of you. I know it's embarrassing. Trust me, it's really embarrassing. And the fact that somebody I got there, I try to accuse you of stealing something where you know so you're not take. You see me? Fine. You have it on camera and everything and the embarrassment and so forth. You see me? I say, all you do now is go back with her, right? Go with the video camera thing there and make it sure, say, yo, you never did do certain things. You see it? Now here the big part of it now. When all is said and done now, and when you take it to the law, and you go to Babs and sue them now, then you're going to hear all kind of things that you're a bad person or so forth and yada yada. But you have to understand, you put my character on the line. You see me? When I say mine, I mean like the person where it happened to. You see me? You put them character on the line, you totally embarrass them. Them feel humiliated. You get me? I say to you? You see it? No, sir. But on the other hand, no. Owning a store or working at a store, it's not easy because you have some people come in there, them do some sly things, them do some things, then a ram. Some people we take the things in front of your eyes. Some people will stare in your eyes and I take the something in front of your eyes. So that's why sometimes you have to just give them the benefit of the doubt. You know, just go back with her and look on the camera and watch the you see me? But I just guess that this world is just, it's just one topsy-turvy place, you see? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, this situation right here is something I bring to you, my viewers, due to the fact that they must say that it is racial profiling or whatsoever. And I want you to tell me what you think about what you just see a while ago, you see me? And not only just give me whole expression and interpretation or what you really feel about this, but my uncle hopes you can also learn something from this. You see me I say? Yeah, so just tell me what you really think about this situation and so forth, alright? But anyways, I don't know the thing go already. I only bring to you what happened on social media. I'm gonna have a full eyeball looking what's going on. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. And always read the comments for updates. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.